Plasa. Cassava leaf sauce. A side dish from Sierra Leone. Serves 4. You will need 9 ingredients. Step 1. Cut up the meat and put in a saucepan with salt, ground pepper, and onions and water. Cook for about 15 minutes. Step 2. Wash leaves, beat in a mortar until finely grounded. Step 3. Add the ground leaves to the ingredients in the saucepan and simmer for about 10 minutes. Step 4. Add palm oil and simmer again for about 10 minutes or until the meat is tender. Step 5. Mix groundnut paste with a little water and add to the sauce, stirring frequently to prevent burning. Step 6. Flake fish and add together with cooked beans to the sauce. Step 7. Season with salt, cover and simmer gently until most of the water has been evaporated. Step 8. Serve with rice. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.